Welcome to Slide Egg. In this video, I'll show you how to create a stunning cinematic arrow animation effect in PowerPoint. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation. Once you're in, insert a suitable image onto your slide. After that, go to the View tab and turn on the Guides option to help with alignment. Next, select the triangle shape from the Shapes menu and draw it on the slide. Once the triangle is in place, go to the Rotate option and select Rotate Left 90 degrees. Now, align the triangle with the center of the guidelines to get it perfectly positioned. Next, go to the top left corner and click on Edit Shape, then select Edit Points. Then, drag the corner of the triangle down to form an arrow shape. Adjust it until you're happy with how it looks. Once your arrow is set, duplicate the shape. Now, go back to the Rotate option and select Flip Horizontal. Position the flipped arrow to connect with the first one, creating a complete arrow. With both shapes selected, go to Merge Shapes and choose Union to combine them. Right-click the new shape and select Format Shape to open the formatting panel on the right side of the screen. In the Fill section, choose Gradient Fill. Adjust the colors of the gradient, set the first stop to white, and for the second stop, increase the transparency to 100%. Now, let's add an outline. Change the width to 2.25 points and make sure the outline color is white. Move the arrow to the bottom of the image. Next, click on the Animation pane from the Animations tab, then click the small arrow next to the animation and choose Line Animation. After that, click Effect Options and select Up for the direction of the animation. You'll notice two dots appear on the screen. Drag the red dot to the end of the arrow to define the path of the animation. Now, let's add another animation. Click on Add Animation, then choose More Exciting Effects, and select Basic Zoom. In the Animation pane, select both animations and set the duration of the first one to 4.00 seconds, and change the animation to with previous so it starts automatically. For the second animation, set the duration to 3.75 seconds and set it to start with previous so it plays automatically. Duplicate the arrow shape 4 times, and align them to the center of the slide. Next, we'll add delays to each animation. Set a 1.50 second delay for the second arrow, a 2.50 second delay for the third, a 3.50 second delay for the fourth, and a 4.50 second delay for the fifth. Finally, add some text to the slide. Move the text to the top, then select the arrow shape, go to the Animations tab, and click Animation Painter. Click on the text to apply the same animation to it. Align the red dot on the text to the red dot on the arrow. Set the duration of the text animation to 8.00 seconds, and move it to the second step in the Animation pane. And there you have it. You've created a beautiful cinematic arrow animation effect in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more PowerPoint tutorials on Slide Egg.